How to track your Royal Mail parcel.
Welcome to this tutorial on tracking your Royal Mail parcel. This guide will provide you with the necessary information to keep track of your package.
What information do I need?
To track your Royal Mail parcel, you will need the following: your unique tracking number, your delivery address. The unique tracking number is a 13-character code provided by Royal Mail when the sender ships the parcel. This code usually begins with 2 letters followed by 9 digits, and ending with GB.
Where can I find the tracking number?
You can find your unique tracking number in the following ways. 1. On the receipt. If you are the sender, the tracking number can be found on the receipt provided by Royal Mail when you posted the parcel. 2. In the confirmation email. If you are the recipient, the sender may have shared the tracking number in a confirmation email or message. 3. On the parcel label. The tracking number can also be found on the parcel label attached to the package.
How do I track my parcel?
Once you have your unique tracking number, you can track your parcel through the following steps. 1. Go to the Royal Mail's official website. 2. Locate the Track Your Item section. 3. Enter your unique tracking number in the provided input field. 4. Click Track Now or press Enter on your keyboard. The website will then display the current status of your parcel, including its location and estimated delivery date.
Can I track my parcel without the tracking number?
Unfortunately, you cannot track your Royal Mail parcel without the tracking number. If you have lost or misplaced the tracking number, you should contact the sender for assistance. Now you know what information is needed to track your Royal Mail parcel and how to use it. By following these steps, you can easily keep an eye on your package's progress and estimated delivery date.